Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 8 quadrilaterals exercise 8.1 question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC, AB is parallel to CD. We have to show that angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD and diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So it is given that ABCD is a trapezium. We will do one construction. Through C, we will draw a line parallel to AD. So this line we will be drawing which is parallel to AD and it is intersecting AB produced at E. So construction, extend AB and draw a line through C parallel to DA intersecting AB produced at D. Now AB is parallel to CD, it is given. AD is parallel to CE, this is by construction. So that means opposite sides of this quadrilateral A, E, C, D are parallel. So we can say that therefore A, E, C, D is a parallelogram as its opposite sides are parallel. So next we have, if AECD is a parallelogram, we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal also. So it implies that AD is equal to CE, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. But AD is equal to BC, it is given. Right? AD is equal to BC. So therefore we have AD is equal to CE, AD is equal to BC. We have CE is equal to BC. That means these two sides of this triangle BEC are equal. And we know that when two sides of a triangle are equal, then angles opposite to them are also equal. Let me take these two angles as angle 1 and angle 2. Now this implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Now we have, if we will take, let us take these angles as angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair of angles. Also, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. AECD is a parallelogram and adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. That is, their sum is 180 degree. Now compare these two equations. In these two equations, 1 is equal to 2. 180, 180. So we have angle 3 equals to angle 4. See, 2 plus 3 is 180 degree, 1 plus 4 is 180 degree, but 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, 3 and 4 are equal. So we can write this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So we will write from 1 and 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. But 3 and 4 are nothing but angle A and angle B. So this is the first part that we have to prove. So therefore we have angle A equals to angle B. So let us start with the second part. Now to prove the second part, what we will do, AB is parallel to DC. Therefore, we have angle A plus angle D is 180 degree. Now, they are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Also we have angle 3 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, or we can write this as angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now if we will compare these two equations, now here the reason is same, they are also co-interior angles as AB is parallel to CD, and if we will compare them, A is equal to B, A is equal to B proved above. Therefore, we have D is equal to C. We are comparing this equation and this equation. Here A is equal to B. Therefore, B is equal to D is equal to C, as angle A plus angle D is 180 degree and B plus C is also 180 degree. Now, to prove that, now we will come to the third part. Here we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle BAD, they are congruent. So I have constructed triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Now we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now if you will see these two triangles, AD is equal to BC, it is given. This side AB is common, and then angle 3 from this triangle is equal to angle 4 from this triangle. So they will be congruent by SAS. So let us start. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, we have BC is equal to AD, it is given. Angle 3 equals to angle 4, we have proved it, as angle A is equal to angle B, and AB is equal to BA. This is a common side. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS, and then as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD, therefore AC is equal to BD. This is our CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. So these are the corresponding sides. So, or we can write diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD.